Okay, here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Thursday, May the 26th, 2011, through the eyes of E-mini day trader. So we're looking at the market profiles here. This one right here is what occurred overnight. This profile is what occurred today, and this profile and its volume profile is what occurred yesterday. So we were thinking that today we would likely have some support in around the 13 to 15 area, and you can see that overnight it didn't quite get, it actually reached 1450, and then in the regular trading hours today, I forget exactly what the low was, but I think it got down to about 13. So that support held nicely, and then the market had a good move higher basically for the rest of the day. So this transition into up is still taking place. Our next target was 27, and as you can see, the market hit 27. I think 2750 was the high. So it's really sort of unfolding as we hoped it would, which is good to see. So we're looking at support anywhere from probably in around the 19 area for tomorrow with an upward bias. We also use these market profiles, which is the regular trading hours, in our analysis of the market. So you can see here today we had numerous trades that were set up. We'll just identify these down red arrows, which identify a short trade. So these are all the short trade indications that our software showed us. You can see here is the blue up arrows, which are the long trades. So as it turned out, I mean, all of these trades really worked out well. We didn't take all of them, of course, but there's only one trade that didn't work, and that was this one right here, which was a short. We did not take that. It was in the neutral, and of course by that time the market had come off of the known support. So we did take this first trade, which is a short right in here. It came down nicely. We're actually out of this trade before we got in the second trade, which is number 2 right here, and it had a good bounce. We did not take this third setup here. We did take the fourth setup, which was our third trade for the day. The market came down and tested the low of the day before it then turned around and started to rally, and so we were able to participate in this upward movement here. There was another indication to get short here. We did not take that. This short here, we did not take that. This long here, we were not able to get in on that. It did not dip down for us. This short trade here worked nicely, short in here, and it did have a good move down, but we did not take that. By that time, of course, the market was solidly green. But because the market had come down into the support area, which, as I said yesterday, was anywhere from around 13 to 15, it led us to believe that we needed to be nimble if we were shorting above that, but on a longer time frame basis, it could be really good long entries. So we actually ended up by taking 3 trades. The first one was a short, second one was long, third one was long, and all of those trades worked out very nicely for us, all of them reaching the first and second objective. On the first trade, we were also able to take an extra 1.25 on the final partial on that one. Same on the second trade. We also had the nice long trade there and able to take a point on the final partial on that one. So, you know, the market really did behave quite nicely today. Came down to support within our transition up auction, had a good move higher. We're looking for a potential pullback, perhaps into around the 19 area. If it can hold above 27, then the next target would be around 33. So that's really what we're looking at. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. You got any questions or comments about what we do? Send us an email at info@eminidaytrader.com, and of course our telephone number and so forth is also on the website as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.